Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, at the moment we are here at the Albura Marina. Yeah, I am parked somewhere over there. I mean, my car is parked somewhere over there. And yeah, lots of people. I am here because I'm going to do my laundry. I mentioned in the previous vlog that there is a new laundry shop here in Albura Marina. But I don't have laundry soap. So I'm going first to the grocery to buy a laundry soap. That's the one. That's the laundry shop. I already went there, but I did not see how much is the cost of the laundry. It's not clearly written how much is the price to use the laundry. What is clearly showing in there is the procedure. But it's okay, for sure it's not going to be very expensive. Oh, yeah, this Woolworths here in Nelson Bay is now different. Yeah, on the very first entry there is now this ready-to-eat fridge. Yeah, with different ready-to-eat foods. Very nice. Yeah, they changed the setup. Yeah, it looks very different from the usual. Yeah, very different from how it was before. Yeah, these are before the fruits and vegetable. And there is no middle alley. Yeah, no more middle way. So no more shortcut. So just like this one, this is the entry and it's all the way to the other side. If you remember before, there is an alley in the middle. So where you can go for a shortcut. Yeah, I'm going to buy a laundry soap. Look at that. I already did 16,350 walk just for today. I mean 16,350 steps. You know the laundry soap, laundry detergent, some of them are actually very expensive. Just like this one, $11 for 1 liter. Yeah, 1.8 liters is $11. This is $10. 2 liters. But this one, this is just 2 liters. I mean, this is just $2. 2 liters. Yeah, very cheap. How come this is very cheap and the rest are very expensive? Okay, this is what I'm going to get. Yeah, $5.50. High efficiency detergent. This is what is written on the machine. So this is what I am getting. They have a lot of ready to eat meal here. And I'm also getting one of this Tim Tam. Yeah, this is $6. Oh, very nice. Yeah, I saw a group of older Filipino inside the grocery. Yeah, maybe 10 of them. Yeah? No, Filipino. Then there is that lady. I mean, an old lady. I smiled to her because I thought she is Filipino. Yeah, then she asked me if I am Thai. I said I'm Filipino. The group of older Filipino, they look like maybe on their 50s or 60s. And we are back here in Albura Marina. And I'm going to do my laundry over there. Actually, I realized that they have a table. I mentioned to you last time that there is no table, but yeah, there is this space where yeah, I can fold my clothes. Oh, look at this. I found it. I don't know. Maybe coming from the pocket. There is socks. I don't use it. and it is actually $6 per washing. It will last for 46 minutes. What is that? Oh, I need to press start. Yeah, 46 minutes. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to set my timer and I'm coming back in 40 minutes. This is what I got. Yeah, it's a big scoop. $6. And that's my laundry over there. Yeah, of course, I set my timer. You know, I'm really happy that I tried to use this laundry shop. Yeah. If you remember last time, I already know this laundry shop, but still I decided to go to Mayfield, yeah, in the petrol station to do my laundry. Yeah, because I thought this has no table. And now by trying it, I actually realized that this laundry shop is actually good. It has this table and yeah, not busy, comfortable, very nice car park, very easy to access to the beach, walking around, and yeah, it's just here in Nelson Bay. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, this is one big example of if you don't try, you'll never know. Yeah, that's why we should try everything we want to do so that we experience it and yeah, we learn it. Yeah, but you know, in my real life, there are a lot of things that I'm afraid to try. I believe that after trying, I'm going to realize the goodness of doing it. Yeah, but I have no courage to try. But you know, it's okay. It's just a matter of how I can afford to do it. You know? Okay, thank you very much. I spent $24 today for the laundry. $6 washing and $6 drying. Yeah, to $24. Yeah, because I use separate white and separate colored and black. Very nice. And you know, when I finished my duty this afternoon, I was already thinking of going to Newcastle to do this laundry. Yeah, but yeah, it's good that I tried to do this, to use this one. Amazing, it's good. Now I realized that this one is actually so much better than, not so much better, but this one is good. And by not going to Newcastle to do my laundry, I save 3 hours of driving, going there and coming back. So I am free now. It is now 6:06 and I'm going to edit a video. And then after editing the video, I'm going to the gym. Teriyaki chicken fry with Hokkien noodles. This is microwavable and the health star rating is, yeah, 4. Let me show you another thing that, you know, here in Australia there is a health star rating about the food that are produced, that are made here in Australia. Just like this one, as you can see. Yeah, 4-star rating. Yeah, it has 33.1 grams of protein, 63.9 grams of carbohydrates, and 12.7 grams of fats. And its health star rating is, yeah, 4. And if you compare that to this Tim Tams, the health ratings of this Tim Tam is 0.5. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's 0.5. That is how it is about the products, food that is made here in Australia. Of course, there are some food that are internationally made, and so they don't have the health star rating. Yeah, I'm just going to microwave it 4 minutes, and this is my meal. Look at this. This actually, how much? $15 is two. So this is $8 actually. I'm not sure. I actually did not check the price. The sun actually set over that side. Yeah, in Soldiers Point area. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, we are here at the shopping center. Yeah, I just finished my duty, 2 o'clock. And now I'm hungry. I'm going to the grocery. I already went to the KFC and I have, yeah, the meal. KFC meal in the bun. I'm getting just this. Yeah, 2 bottles of this. And I'm also getting one of this. This now just $2.50. Mini parmesan and onion pane de casa.
So you just push that open.
Yeah, and here?
And then you gotta rip this open.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
And then you close this and you choose sandwich, toast or cafe.
Sandwich. This one.
Yep.
If you put it in one of these ones, it's easier.
What I bought in KFC is a chicken slider. Actually, popcorn slider. This and the chicken wrap. Yeah. This is my favorite in KFC. The chicken popcorn. And you remember last time when I opened this sparkling water, it always splash everywhere. Yeah, but because from your comment, I learned that it should be slowly, just like this. Oh! Almost again. Yeah, so yeah, it did not splash. Nice, thank you very much. I'm already full of the chicken popcorn that I ate, but I still have this kind of wrap. Yes, basically flatbread or pita bread with kind of mayonnaise spread and chicken, some lettuce. It's going to be my dinner.